Okay, let's make some Hobo Joes Ribs. Why do I call him Hobo Joes? Well, he was the name of the homeless man that I beat without mercy to get this recipe. Alright, you want to start off to make the rub with 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 big tablespoons of chili powder, 2 big tablespoons of paprika, and I'm just eyeballing this. I'm not really measuring anything out too carefully. 3 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. Now, this should give you more than enough rub for 2 racks of baby back ribs. And then you just want to give this a stir and make sure everything is mixed together all nice and wonderful. All right, let's move on to the ribs. Okay, so we got our 2 racks of rib here, and what you see I'm doing is removing the silver skin. There is debate whether this step is necessary or not. I like to do it, but that's just me. The way I remove silver skin is I make a slit along one of the ribs, and then I remove it by grabbing it with a paper towel, and it pulls it right up. Again, use whatever works good for you, but that's what I found works best for me, is you make a slit, you start it, and then you grab a paper towel, and it just comes right off. Again, there is debate whether or not the step is even necessary. And now we want to rub our ribs. So grab that rib mix we made a little bit ago and just slather the shit out of it. And on the outside, I already removed the silver skin from this one. Outside, I got the smoker going at 275, and I'm using a combination of mesquite and pecan wood. Again, you can use whatever wood you like. Apple's another good one that I commonly use. Cherry wood's another good one I commonly use. And then you want to smoke these for, I hate to give smoke times, till they're done. That's the highly scientific way I do smoking. Till they're done. Till they read 165. The reason is your smoke times, if you live in Colorado, might be different from somebody who lives in Louisiana or Texas. So, till they're done. But these bad bastards are ready for the smoker right now. Got the rub on. And we're going to use all this shit. Don't worry about adding too much. It'll fall off in the smoking process, because we're going to flip these. All right, let's put them out on the smoker until they're done. Okay, so if we're making ribs, we gotta have a goddamn barbecue sauce. And I'm not gonna buy one, I'm just gonna make one. Alright, so this is my sweet and sexy barbecue sauce. 2 cups of ketchup. 2/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. I'm adding here 3 tablespoons of dark molasses. Then there'll be a 1/2 cup of brown sugar coming in the mix. This is why you don't want to add your sauce too early, because that sugar will burn. 2 tablespoons of onion powder. 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of chili powder. About 2 teaspoons of pepper. And roughly about 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. And you just want to, give this a chance over medium low heat to get incorporated together. And again, you don't have to be too precise with these measurements. Again, I just kind of got it kind of simmering pretty good, reduced it to low, and I think left it on the stove for like half an hour, stirring occasionally. So, all right. Something like that in color, but it'll get a lot smoother after 25 minutes of sitting on the stove. So, again, get it up to a good simmer, a boil almost, and then reduce it to low, and then stir it every so often to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. All right, through the magic of cooking show editing, these ribs are done. They've been sauced, they've been rubbed, and they're ready. But don't worry, we're going to have a bit more sauce. I'm taking big pieces of rib off here. I ain't going for no small shit. And before some smartass says something, the pink that you're seeing, that's a smoke ring. It isn't raw. If you know anything about smoking, you know that. So, yeah, just cut in between the rib bones and you should be good. All right, let's move up to serving. And yes, I know the electric knife I'm using is about 1,000,000 fucking years old. But, you know, I got it from my grandma and it still works good, so fuck it. All right, to serve, slap some of that son of a bitchin' sauce on top, as much as you like. And, because again, ribs is not a clean food. If you wear white while eating ribs, you're a fucking idiot. And then just add some good old-fashioned waffle fries and enjoy. Hobo Joes Ribs. Done.